Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are stacking cups from Mushie, one of my little one's favorite toys.
I love all the colors of the little cups. They stack so well, and my little one just loves to knock them over. He plays with them every single day. It's one of his favorite toys since he was probably around 3 or 4 months old. They're super easy to clean just in the sink with soap and water because they're made out of plastic, and they also, a lot of them have holes on the bottom of different shapes, so they actually make really good bath toys as well. He's really good at knocking over the tower. It's one of his favorite things to do, but he just finds different ways to play with these. I think it really has helped his motor skills. He now tries to stack them. His favorite thing is to put them inside of each other. You would think cups are such a simple toy, but really, he finds so many different things to do with them, and he analyzes them, the different sizes, to see which can fit in which cup.
So if you're looking for your child's next toy, definitely check out these stacking cups from Mushie. Your little one is going to love them. They're going to have so much fun, and that's my point of view.